Model, 67-plate Ford Transit Custom 270L1 diesel front-wheel drive 2.0 TDCi 105ps low-roof van body, white, panel van mileage, 125335 MOT, 4 December 2023 engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCi 105ps transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Nice easy turbo replacement. Clean Euro 6 custom grin condition summary. Bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, part service history, electric windows EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, £8,895. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.